Hey guys, welcome back to English2Flow. I'm Emma.
And I'm James. Hello, everyone.
James, today's topic feels emotional
Very emotional.
because today we are talking about patience
And pain.
and life.
Deep talk today.
James, can I ask something honestly?
Always.
Have you ever waited for something badly
Yes.
and then felt disappointed?
Many times.
Like life was unfair?
Exactly.
I think everyone feels this sometimes.
Yes.
You work hard,
But results don't come.
you pray for something,
But life stays silent.
you try again and again,
But doors remain closed.
and slowly,
You start losing hope.
mm,
You start asking questions.
like, why is this happening to me?
Why is my life so difficult?
Why are others moving ahead?
And why am I stuck?
James, do you think everything really happens for a reason?
Honestly,
Yes.
I didn't believe it before.
Really?
Yes.
What changed your mind?
Life.
Mmm,
Life only makes sense later.
deep line.
In painful moments, we understand nothing.
True.
But after years,
Suddenly, things connect.
exactly.
Guys, today we want to tell you one story.
A real life type story.
Emotional
Slow.
and meaningful.
There was a boy named Arav,
Arav was simple,
quiet,
hardworking.
and full of dreams.
Arav wanted success badly.
Very badly.
He believed one thing,
If I work hard, life will become easy.
but life had different plans.
Every morning, Arav woke up early,
Studied hard,
worked part-time,
tried learning English too.
but still,
Nothing changed quickly.
one day he applied for a job interview,
He prepared for weeks,
practiced answers in the mirror.
bought new clothes carefully.
He was nervous but hopeful.
On interview day,
His hands were shaking,
heart beating fast.
but he still tried his best.
After interview,
He waited
and waited,
and waited more.
finally email came.
Rejected.
Mm,
One word can break someone deeply.
true.
Arav stared at the screen silently.
No anger,
No tears,
just silence.
heavy silence.
That night he couldn't sleep.
He kept thinking,
Maybe I'm not good enough.
maybe success is not for me.
Maybe life is unfair.
Emma, do you know the worst part about failure?
What?
It changes your inner voice.
Wow.
Suddenly, your mind becomes enemy.
Very true. Guys, maybe this happened with you too.
After failure,
Confidence becomes weak,
motivation disappears.
and even small tasks feel heavy.
Arav slowly stopped trying,
He stayed in room more,
used phone all day.
compared himself with others online.
Dangerous habit.
Every day he saw people posting success,
New jobs,
happy photos,
trips,
smiles.
and slowly,
He started hating his own life.
one evening, his grandfather sat beside him.
Old wise man moment.
Yes.
What did grandfather say?
He asked one simple question.
Which was?
Why are you giving up so early?
Arav became emotional.
He said, I am tired.
Mm,
He said, I work hard, but nothing happens.
painful feeling.
He said, maybe life does not want me to win.
And then?
Grandfather smiled softly.
Wise smile.
Yes. He said, life is not rejecting you.
Mm,
He said, life is preparing you.
wow.
Arav stayed silent.
Because deep words hit slowly.
Exactly. Grandfather continued.
Mm,
He said, patience does not mean doing nothing.
important.
He said, Patience means continuing even when results are invisible.
Powerful line.
He then told Arav a story.
Story inside story?
Yes. He said, bamboo tree takes years to grow. He said, for a long time, nothing appears above ground.
Interesting.
He said, but underground, roots are becoming stronger.
Wow.
He said, then suddenly one day, it grows very fast.
Deep lesson.
Yes,
Sometimes growth is invisible first.
exactly.
Guys, maybe your life is also like bamboo tree right now.
You think nothing is happening.
But maybe
Your roots are growing silently.
Arav started thinking differently after that conversation.
Slowly.
Not instantly magical.
Real life changes slowly.
The next morning, he woke up early again,
Studied again.
practiced English again,
Applied for jobs again.
even with fear.
Even with doubt.
Months passed.
Rejection still came.
But now, something was different.
Arav became stronger mentally.
One day, another interview call came.
This time he felt calmer.
Why?
Because he was no longer desperate. He learned patience.
During interview,
He spoke honestly,
naturally.
without pretending.
And after a few days,
He got selected.
finally.
Yes.
But interesting thing is,
What?
the job was not the biggest reward.
Then what was?
The person he became during struggle.
Wow.
Patience changed him.
Pain matured him,
Failure taught him strength.
and waiting taught him faith.
Guys, listen carefully.
Very important.
Sometimes delays protect you.
Sometimes failure redirects you,
Sometimes pain teaches you.
and sometimes waiting changes you completely.
Life is strange.
Very strange.
Sometimes what feels like punishment today,
Becomes blessing later.
maybe you lost something recently.
Maybe someone left.
Maybe you failed.
Maybe life feels unfair right now.
But please remember this.
Your story is not finished yet.
Bad chapters are not the whole book.
Better days can still come.
James, say one final powerful line.
Okay. Sometimes life removes good things to make space for better things.
Beautiful. Homework time.
Yes.
Comment below, what difficult thing taught you patience?
Example. Failure taught me patience and strength.
Keep believing slowly.
Keep growing quietly.
Keep learning with English2Flow.
Life is still preparing something beautiful for you.
Bye.
Bye, guys.